everyone there? Henry Olsen here from Super Simple Guitar. And the title of today's lesson is Guitar Playing is Just Like Gardening. So in this lesson, I'm actually going to try to motivate you more than I'm going to teach you anything on the guitar. And I'm going to explain why playing guitar is just like gardening, okay? So the point of this lesson is to give you a little bit of inspiration, motivation, and help you just kind of push through whatever you're currently working on, okay? Before we get in the lesson, let's go make a cup of coffee. Okay, so why do I say that playing guitar is the same as gardening? So I actually came up with this idea this morning when I was practicing sweep picking. Now, sweep picking is something that I've been trying to develop. I started about 6 months ago, but then I had a large pause, maybe for like 4 months where I didn't do it at all. And then lately, in the last couple of weeks, I've been doing it more intensively, right? And what I'm trying to say is that there are days when I literally sweep pick or try to sweep pick for like an hour, sometimes even 2 hours. And no matter how much I try to sweep pick, on that day, I am not going to get it, okay? And even the next day, I'm not going to get it. And even the next week, I'm not going to get it, okay? So that's why I came up with this idea of, hey, practicing guitar is just like gardening. No matter how much water or sun you put on your tomato plant, it's not going to give you the tomatoes any faster, okay? You're going to have to show up regularly and give your tomato plant or whatever plant it is some water, right? Sun, right? You're not going to be able to practice every day. You're not going to have a lot of time. That kind of being the sun. Those are things that you can't always have a impact on, right? So how much sun there's going to be on that day is kind of like how much time you're going to have available to practice. So there's going to be days that are more sunny, you're going to be practicing more, and there's going to be days that are less sunny where you might not play at all or you play just a little bit. But the point is that no matter how much sun you give it or how much water you give it on just one given day, you're not going to eat your tomato on that day, okay? So you have to really get used to thinking long term. Just like nature works, just like gardening works, right? So in my case with sweep picking, I can sweep pick all day today, and I'm probably not going to get it. But you know what? Tomorrow when I show up, if it's a sunny day, if I have another hour or 2 hours, I'm going to be a little bit better. And I'm going to be better the next day than I was the day before. So actually that time that I spend resting and sleeping kind of lets that water settle in and do its thing, okay? So all we have to do as guitar players is realize that playing guitar is just like gardening, right? We have to be patient. We have to show up regularly, do what we can do, and then just let it sit, right? Let it do its thing. And then show up again, right? And then that compounded effect of just showing up regularly is going to give us our results, okay? The problem with the modern man today is that we have become very impatient, right? You put a post out on Facebook, 10 seconds later, people are liking it, commenting it, and you haven't really done anything. You haven't really put in work, real work, right? And learning an instrument is real work. So we have to kind of come back from the modern quick dopamine hit that we get from putting a post out and really do it old school and put in the time, put in the effort, think long term, okay? So in my case, currently, it's sweep picking. In your case, it might just be playing from a G chord to a D chord and have that change be nice and fluid, right? But we're both battling the end of a level, right? So if you ever played video games, you'll have level 1, level 2, level 3, and at the end of each level, there's the big monster that you have to defeat, right? So in my case, defeating that monster means sweep picking fast and clean and having every note ring out and I really have to focus on doing that slowly and precisely and clean. It takes weeks and weeks and weeks, and it takes dedication, and it takes just showing up and being patient, right? To defeat that bad guy at the end of the level, right? So for you, it might be playing chords. Your bad guy villain that you have to defeat is switching from a G chord to a D chord and have it be clean, right? I remember when I was learning how to finger pick, getting those notes in between right, was impossible. It was impossible. I couldn't do it, and it took me weeks. But I stuck to it. I stuck to my gardening analogy. I thought of it as a gardener, and I just kept coming back. And every day it was a little bit better. And that small amount of progress was enough to give me kind of the satisfaction to know that I am growing, okay? The beautiful thing about learning guitar is that there is a guarantee that you are going to get better, right? It's not like that in all areas of life, but with guitar, there is a 100% guarantee that if you just keep showing up day after day after day after day, week after week, month after month, you're not going to eat that tomato in a week or two, right? You're going to have to get that land ready first. You're going to have to put the manure in it. Like there's months of preparation before you get all those ripe tomatoes, but then they're everywhere. You can eat them as much as you want to, right? They're in abundance. Okay, so that's how guitar works as well. And anything really in life that's worth mastering or conquering, right? Guitar is a great tool that teaches us how to also master other areas of life, right? So guitar has taught me so much because I know that if I just keep showing up and doing the work, that I'm going to get better. And I've done that for years and years and years, right? So I have that kind of programmed into my brain that if I just show up and do the work, it's going to make me better and I will get better. And then anytime I'm attacking a new aspect of life, let's say sports or building a business or parenting, I know that if I just keep slowly but steady hacking away at it, I will eventually get really good, okay? So let guitar be a tool that helps you improve in all areas of life, not just on playing the instrument itself, okay? Okay, so I hope that this little rant that I just put together here helps you out. If it does, let me know in the comments. I hope so. And, you know, we're all battling that boss at the end of the level, right? I've been playing guitar for almost 15 years now, and I can't sweep pick, right? It's something I just can't do. And for you, it might be playing bar chords. You want to do it, but you just can't do it. And like I said, I've been sweep picking on and off for 6 months, okay? I haven't really been doing it with total dedication for that entire 6 months, but I keep showing up, right? It's something that I want to conquer. So with bar chords, just keep practicing those bar chords. Play a C chord, play a F. Play a C, play a F. Even if it doesn't sound good, just like my sweep pick, let me play it for you one more time. It's still sloppy. It's better, but it's sloppy. Okay, so we're all battling our bosses at the end of the level, is what I'm trying to say. So no matter what level you're at, no matter what boss you are fighting currently, just know that if you keep showing up, you will conquer that boss, and then you're going to be the boss. Okay? All right, my friend, I hope that this little lesson helped you. I hope this little rant helped you. It's the way it is on guitar and in life. Mastering the guitar is going to help you master other aspects of life. Okay? Also, eat your vegetables and exercise. Very important. All right, take it easy. Henry Olsen here. Bye-bye.